Before computers, before machines capable of learning, there were visions of intelligence beyond human reach. The seeds of artificial intelligence were planted long before the first computer was ever conceived. Ancient stories are filled with ideas of intelligent machines. Greek mythology speaks of Talos, a giant mechanical guardian, and Jewish folklore tells of the golem, a creature brought to life through magical rituals. These stories reflect humanity's early fascination with the idea of creating life through mechanical or artificial means. As civilizations advanced, they began to build machines that could mimic life and intelligence. The Antikythera mechanism, built in ancient Greece, was one of the first mechanical devices used to predict astronomical positions. Meanwhile, in the medieval era, artisans crafted intricate automata, machines designed to mimic animals, humans, and even gods. Philosophers began to explore the nature of thought and consciousness, setting the stage for AI's conceptual foundations. René Descartes believed that the mind could be understood as a machine, while Leibniz envisioned a universal language, or symbolic system, that could represent all human knowledge and reason, ideas that would later inform artificial intelligence. In the 19th century, mechanical computation began to take shape. Charles Babbage designed the difference engine, a mechanical device capable of performing calculations. His collaborator, Ada Lovelace, is often credited with creating the first algorithm for a machine, envisioning a future where machines could do more than just calculate, they could reason. Philosophers and mathematicians like Gottlob Frege and Bertrand Russell developed systems of formal logic, which would later influence AI research. Their work showed that reasoning could be broken down into a series of logical steps, and this mathematical approach to thought would become foundational to the development of AI. As the 20th century dawned, new thinkers like Alan Turing and John von Neumann took the seeds of earlier ideas and laid the foundation for what we now call artificial intelligence. Turing proposed that machines could simulate any intellectual task, laying out the theoretical framework for AI. Meanwhile, von Neumann's work on self-replicating automata and digital computing showed the potential for machines to think, learn, and evolve. From ancient myths and mechanical wonders to the groundbreaking work of philosophers and mathematicians, the seeds of artificial intelligence were planted long before the first computers were built. As we look to the future of AI, it's clear that its origins are not just in silicon and code, but in the human imagination.